So today we'll be talking about hormonal changes that cause vaginal itching and how to treat these hormonal changes related vaginal itching. So when we talk about hormonal changes, we're talking about menopause, we're talking about perimenopause, which is basically the transitional period before menopause. We're also talking about pregnancy as well as throughout your menstrual cycle. So all these four that I just listed are basically hormonal changes rich season. So you can have low estrogen levels, which can lead to dry, itchy vagina. And sometimes a big drop in your estrogen can cause vaginal atrophy, and that's what we see mostly in menopause. And this can induce your dryness, your burning, and your itching of the vagina around those times. So what is my best home remedies to help combat these? Well, it's important to know that you can't really control your hormone, but you have options to basically ease the itch from the hormonal shift that you're having. So my two best remedies are cold compress. So what you should do for this one is just to wet a clean washcloth with cool water and you place it over your vulva, basically the outside of your vagina. So you place it over it and you just let it just relax with that cold compress over it to help you ease the itching and the dryness that you're experiencing down there. My next remedy is and my favorite one is a colloidal oatmeal bath. So what you're going to do this one is that what you need to know about this one is that the colloidal oatmeal bath or powder may even lower skin inflammation, as to why it's a very effective way to help with your hormonal changes itching. So basically it helps to relieve the itching and the irritation that you experience when you're during your hormonal periods. So what you're going to do for this one is basically just dissolve some oatmeal in a warm bath. So I think warm water is best. Dissolve your oatmeal in a warm bath and you're going to soak into that for about 20 minutes, and that should help you relieve your itching, and you can repeat this up to 3 times per day. When you're finished, you're going to pat dry your vagina and you're going to move on to a cotton underwear. So if you have any other question, drop them in the comment section below. Do you get hormonal itching, and what do you use to treat your hormonal itching? I really would like to know. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Nicky_@_your_Cervix.